Aakif. Today I'm going to teach you A, B, C, C in IPA. Okay? In IPA, do you know what is the meaning of IPA? I is for international, P is for phonetics, A is for alphabet. Okay? The full meaning is International Phonetics Alphabet. So let's do it. A, A, A. Then B, E, B, B, E, B. Then C, S, E, C, S, E, C. D, E, D, D, E, D, E, 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 F, 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 then G, 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 H, 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 I, like half circle, I, then J, 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 A, J, J, A, J, J, A, J, K, A, K, K, A, K, L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 N. Then we have O, like a full cycle. O, 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 O. Then O, P, 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 P. Then K, Y, U, Q, K, Y, U, Q, Q, R, R. But the British English is R and American is R. We should follow R, British English, okay? R and S, 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 T, E, T, T, E, T. Then U, 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 okay? U, V, V, E, V, V, E, V. And this is hard, like. Then da, ba, la, double, ya, u, u, da, ba, la, double, ya, u, u, W, W. E, ka, sa, X, E, ka, sa, X. Y, 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 Y. This is Z, but we can tell this one Z, 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 Z or Z. Okay? And this all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye bye.